Hi, how are you? My name is Adrian Galaviz and I am your Spanish teacher. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to tell the time in Spanish. So let's start. Are you ready? Okay, to start learning how to tell the time, we have to review the numbers in Spanish. Numbers are very important. So let's start with the numbers 1 to 60. Let's see, repeat after me. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here we have to repeat. 21. This is veintiuno. Remember that the previous number was veinte. So this is veintiuno. 22. 23, and then 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We repeat again. 31, 32, 33, and then 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and then 40, 41, 42, 43, and then 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and then 50, 51, 52, 53, and then 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and the last one, sesenta. Sesenta, you can read it here. Sesenta is the last number that we are going to practice today because we are going to learn how to tell the time in Spanish. Now, I am going to show you some pictures of clocks. And I want you to tell me what time it is. To ask this question in Spanish, we say, ¿Qué hora es? Repeat after me. ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? Let's see. Let's start with the first clock. ¿Qué hora es en este reloj? Okay. It is 3 o'clock. In Spanish, we answer, son las 3 en punto. Son las 3 en punto. It is 3 o'clock. let's go with the next clock. ¿Qué hora es en este reloj? Very good. Your answer was correct. Son las 10 en punto. Son las 10 en punto. It is 10 o'clock. Son las 10 en punto. Okay, let's see. This one is a little bit more difficult. ¿Qué hora es en este reloj? Very good. Son las 9:13. Son las 9:13. Another one. ¿Qué hora es en este reloj? Do you have the answer? Let's see. Son las 10:10. Son las 10:10. In some countries, people say, son las 10:10. Very good, you have the correct answer. Son las 10:10. What time is it in the next clock? Let's see. Very good. In some countries, people say, faltan 5 minutos para las 12. Faltan 5 minutos para las 12. Or you can also say, son las 11:55. Son las 11:55. Let's see. What time is it here in this clock? Very good. Son las 3 en punto. Son las 3 en punto. The last one? Okay, no more clocks. Very good. So I hope that you can tell the time in Spanish. Remember, I am Adrián Galaviz, your Spanish teacher, and I am here to teach you how to speak Spanish. If you're interested in learning Spanish with me, then register now with ScholarAdda. Register now and see you next class. Goodbye.